posh and all of that, their bank accounts, and I have all that data with me. If I'm dating anyone, I am dating a lot of men. Hello, guys. I know it's been super long, and I promised that मैं बहुत सारे videos डालूंगी, but this time I decided कि मैं और ज़्यादा delay नहीं करूँगी because you guys have been asking me so many questions and I honestly cannot ignore. I hope my mic is working this time because last time, as you all know, बीच में बंद हो गया था. This time it's going to be a different kind of a video because मैं अपने बारे में बात करूँगी rather than products या फिर food and all of that. So stay tuned and I'll probably answer all your questions. So I think and I hope कि तुम लोगों को मेरा नाम तो at least पता होगा because मैंने अपने प्रोफाइल में लिख रखा है YouTube पर. My name is Saiba and yeah, let's start talking about myself. So my name is Saiba and I stay in Delhi and I work. So कहाँ से start करूँ? Shall I talk about my family, my education, my work, how much money I make, from where? Definitely not from YouTube, but yeah, I am a working professional.
Okay.
And I think this is kind of an interview only because तुम लोगों ने इतने सारे questions पूछे हैं. Okay, so let's start with the fun facts about me. And सबसे पहले I love watching K-dramas. Like I love watching K-dramas. और ऐसा नहीं कि आज के आज या कल परसों ऐसे 1-2 साल से, but since 2012. And my first ever K-drama was Boys Over Flowers, जिसमें Lee Min-ho है, and he became my favorite actor then. And the love for K-dramas just kept on increasing more and more, and I like बहुत सारे favorite actors and actresses हैं अब मेरे, and जितने भी famous K-dramas है वो सारे मैंने देख रखे हैं. So you can ask me and I will tell you the story about it. Next is I love K-pop. पहले मैं K-pop content बनाती थी YouTube पर और Instagram पर भी, but then इतना ज़्यादा उसमें कंटेंट बन नहीं पा रहा था मेरे से, सो आई स्विच टू मेकअप. देन मेकअप के बाद में आई ऑल्सो थॉट ऑफ showing everyone my life and my routine, so I started showing food and what all I eat in a day and mini vlogs and all of that. So yeah, next is I love chicken nuggets. Like एक पूरा रूम भर के भी दे दो तो आई कैन फिनिश ऑल द चिकन नगेट्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड. आई लव इट सो मच एंड स्पेशली मैकडोनल्ड्स वाले मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट अबाउट मी इज़ दैट
I have naturally curly hair.
और कर्ली हेयर को मेंटेन करना बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. उसमें क्रीम खरीदो और फिर डिफ्यूज़र एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड इट्स सच अ मेस और काफ़ी टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस है. सो आई यूजुअली गेट इट स्ट्रेटन्ड. Oh yeah, I spend a lot of money on my hair. थक गई मैं बोलते बोलते. Water break. I recently got this thing, coffee mug sipper kind of a thing, and this is so chic and cute and fancy. Now guys, let's move on to the education part of this video. So I'm a graduate. I am a software engineer and I've also completed my masters in HR and IT. I've done MBA. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it about my education. And I've also taken Korean classes. So I can read, I can write, I can also speak, but then beginner level. मतलब प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर पाई ना बिकॉज उससे ज़्यादा मतलब एक होता है ना फर्स्ट लेवल, देन उसके ऊपर वाला लेवल, उसके ऊपर वाला लेवल, तो वो नहीं कर पाई मैं बिकॉज इतना नहीं कर पाई भाई. टाइम नहीं मिला उस चीज़ के लिए. बट देन आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल दैट आई वाज एबल टू लर्न हाउ टू रीड एंड राइट एंड like if I keep on practicing I'll be able to speak fluently. So abhi thoda aise. All right, so now let's move on to the most asked question, that is where do I work and what work do I do. और गाइज ये हाथ में ऐसे माइक पकड़ के ना थोड़ा सा अजीब सा लग रहा है तो मैं अपने बाल में लगा लेती हूँ. I hope my voice is sounding clear because I love another interesting fact. I love talking with my hands. Like my hands move a lot whenever I'm talking. So एक हाथ को ऐसे बांध के रखना माइक पकड़ के, it's a little bit inconvenient for me. तो I hope आवाज़ अच्छे से आ रही होगी अभी. So guys, my job profile, even though I'm an engineer and I've done engineering, I do not work in that sector. Like I do not work in IT sector, because the first job that I got, it was in the finance field. Like I was working for Barclays. My first job was with Barclays. So that's a big brand. Job culture, job profile and everything was super cool. I did not know कि ये मेरे IT से थोड़ा इधर उधर जा रहा है. And later on I cannot change it. Like I can, but then हो जाता है. Like just एक रास्ते पे चलने लग जाओ तो उधर ही देखने लग जाते हो फिर तुम. So I started working in finance department. Right now, अभी जिस कंपनी में मैं काम कर रही हूँ, that is also this finance related, and I wish I could tell you the name, but then it goes against the policy of the company. Like I cannot talk about the company, I cannot show you the company's this thing, like the floor, I cannot show you the logo of the company and all of that. So even though I want to tell you, अगर मेरी वीडियो कोई देख लेगा मेरे कंपनी में, so it'll be a task. एंड यू नो वॉट, हो सकता है इतनी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम वो ना भी करे कि अरे वाई डिड यू शो द कंपनीज building, why did you show the company's name and all of that. Maybe इतनी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं होगी, but then I don't want to talk about them, because of course I do not know कि कौन मेरे पीछे पड़ जाए, and you know company politics and all of that. So who is not liking me in the office, and what if they come to see this video someday and वो जाकर के बता दे किसी को, and I don't want to be in that, come in that picture ever. Matlab it's related to people's accounts, right? Their bank accounts, and I have all that data with me, all that information with me. So like fraud के chances ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे through me if anyone gets to know that I work for this company and I have access to all the bank details. तो हो सकता है कि कोई मुझे टारगेट करके फिर they will try to get the information of those bank accounts and मेरे through fraud करने का try करे. So I will be at risk directly, plus the company and those accounts. So that's why I cannot talk about it. But मैं ये ज़रूर बता सकती हूँ कि मैं इससे पहले कहाँ काम करी थी. So I was working for American Express इससे पहले, which was my dream company. I always wanted to work for them. And I am so grateful that I got the chance and I was able to be a part of that organization. It's so good. Like I cannot even tell you how good it was in terms of money, in terms of reputation, in terms of work culture, everything. And a little tiny break. I think my makeup is kind of slaying today. Just look at it. Wow. Flawless. एक question आया था which I really liked. Firstly, it was a compliment, so thank you so much. हाँ. अरे. There was this comment that I absolutely loved, and thank you so much for the compliment. And what inspired me to start this channel and this journey is that I want to retire early. That I do not want to keep on working for next 5-10 years, and I want to live this kind of a life where I can just interact with as many people as I want, or free money just through my content, and I don't have to, you know, मतलब कंपनी के लिए काम करना 9 घंटे 10 घंटे. like I can do that for next 5 years, but then what after that? So ये मेरा retirement plan है actually. On a serious note, I also wanted to like overcome my fears and build my confidence. So this is all that motivated me. So the answer to this comment is that no, I don't follow anyone else's style. This is just me. Like I don't think there's any style in my video. It's just me living my life. और इसमें कुछ ऐसा कोई special नहीं है कि मुझे एक certain way में किसी और का content पसंद आ गया था. So I took inspiration from that. No, nothing like that. It's just raw, authentic me. This is me, my style. I have not taken any inspiration from anyone. Now, the next question that I got, not on YouTube, but on my Instagram page. Like when I link to डाल रखा है इधर YouTube पर, and maybe some of you are following me there, but then I'm not active there, so I was not expecting कि वहाँ पर भी एक comment आ सकता है, question आ सकता है, and it was if I'm dating anyone. Like I am dating a lot of men in my head, but in real life I think I have a few crushes, and I have a lot of stories about those crushes and a lot of interesting moments that I can share in the near future. Wow, this gloss is everything. So yeah, those people, like, not a lot, like a couple of those guys are nice in terms of their looks, in terms of their styling and everything. Their outfits are so cool, so I like them वैसे, like aesthetically. But उनका nature कैसा है, of course I don't know, so I don't like them. But am I ready to date? No, of course not. I'm not ready to date anyone. But if you guys are interested कि मैं वो stories share करूँ, like office interest and what happened, those cute little moments and all of that, like spicy gossip. और वैसे recently something worth gossiping happened, like कुछ हुआ था ऑफिस में, and वो होता है ना, like I should not be saying it, but then Posh and all of that, something related to that happened. So if you want to know the entire story कि क्या होता है, मतलब क्या नहीं होता है, and what all steps are taken care of, फिर उस इंसान का क्या होता है. So if you want all of those office gossip, let me know and I will make another such a similar kind of a video, giving you all the tea. Guys, I think I have answered a lot of your questions, and मेरे बारे में तुम्हें पता चल गया, मेरी पढ़ाई के बारे में, मेरी जॉब के बारे में, कौन कौन सी कंपनीज में मैंने काम कर रखा है. या आई एम होपिंग 2026 में मेरा यूट्यूब चल जाए भाई, so that I don't have to go to work. That's my motivation. Like I don't want to work for anyone in the coming near future. Like अगर 1 साल लगता है तो ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. अगर 2 साल लगते हैं तो ठीक है, मतलब 1-2 साल में अगर ऐसा हो जाता है कि I have a average amount of people following me and I'm earning something out of it, so I'll take it full time. Then I'll leave the job. I hope nobody sees this video from my office. अगर किसी की पर्सनालिटी मेरे से मैच करती है या फिर यू आर एबल टू रिलेट टू मी, जस्ट लेट मी नो एज वेल यार. आई वुड लव टू टॉक टू यू ऑल. And guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed all the question and answer segment, and that is it. I'll see you next time.